Hello everyone, it's Noel from Noel's Nook, and welcome to 2018. Holy crap, it's 2018. Like, where does the time go? So anyway, last year, we accomplished quite a bit. We tried out markers, and we loved them. We tried out digital art, and we loved them. Like, I tried out 2 new mediums last year, and that's just like saying it out loud now. It's kind of like amazing actually, because before I was so used to using watercolor pencils or just regular colored pencils, and now incorporating those 2 new mediums into my art, that's awesome. Like, wow, it's amazing. So anyway, yeah, so this year's art goals, I have them on the paper here. It's gonna be kind of sporadic and weird. This is probably the most impromptu art goals video that anybody's ever put on YouTube. But anyway, the first goal that I have is probably my only ambitious goal, and that is to just do one sketchbook page per day. That doesn't sound like a lot, but for me, who kind of can be lazy, that is a lot. That's a lot to, you know, some artists are like, oh yeah, drawing all day, every day. I'm kind of not like that, and you know, that kind of sounds weird to hear, but no, I don't think about art all the time. I don't think about drawing all the time. I don't think about painting. It's not like it's not a passion of mine. It's just I have other interests, okay? You know, people can have more than one interest. So I just want to do one sketchbook page per day. What am I going to draw in that sketchbook? Well, we're going to try, like we did last year and failed, we're going to try to do hair, okay? Hair has always been like, just, I don't know, it's an enigma. It's a mystery. I don't know how to solve it. I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm really going to try to do more hair studies this year. I'm also going to do more clothing studies this year because I'm not really good at drawing clothes. I kind of just, a t-shirt, you know, it's a box. But no, clothing is kind of, it's got its own, it's alive in a way. It's, you know, it's got wrinkles, it's got texture, which is another thing I want to try out, is texture. I also want to work more on backgrounds and landscapes, and I did a little bit of that last year when we did our real-time paintings together, you know, doing a little bit of that, so that won't be too hard to incorporate into my practice. Looking at my notes here. Working with dip pens. I have a bit of experience working with dip pens, so it's not that ambitious of a goal, but if you remember, we bought a quart of this stuff. We need to use it. So my goal this year is to see how much of that is left by December 31st. It's gonna take a lot of, so I might do some like ink wash paintings too. I mean, it might not be too hard, but anyway. So another thing that I have is trying out new art supplies. We tried out markers in digital. I actually have an order coming in soon for gouache, and that's basically opaque watercolor. So I got 2 different kinds. They were on sale at dickblick.com, and I'm getting pan gouache, and I'm also getting like tube, like liquid gouache. So those are the things I'm going to be trying out. Excuse me, I have to scratch my nose here. So profesh. So the last kind of goal I have, I guess is the most ambitious goal I have this year, and that is to study. And I don't mean by taking formal college courses, can't afford that, but just by looking up affordable alternative classes. There's like tons of resources out there for artists to just learn. One of my big things is color theory, how to use it, am I even using it correctly, and working on tones and values, that sort of thing. I really feel like that would level up my art. So those are the things that I am going to work on this year. But how about yourself? What kind of art goals do you have for this year? Do you have any art goals at all? Or maybe you don't. Maybe you have some personal goals. I know one of my personal goals every year is fitness. And every year I attempt, and every year it's okay. So this year I definitely want to work on, you know, my personal goals too. But yeah. Anyway, so tell me what you guys think down below. What kind of goals you have in mind for this year? What kind of other projects you have going on? I love talking to you guys, you know that. And remember to draw what you love and love what you draw. And I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, guys. Hello, everyone. Oh my gosh, I forgot my intro. And welcome to 2008. That's not quite what I was trying to say. Welcome to 2018. And of 2018.